Welcome to the Nural ISP app tutorial. In this segment, we will learn how to upload competition sales data. Let's get started. To begin, open the Nural ISP app on your device and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Locate the competition sales module and tap on it. In the Upload section, you will find fields to enter the relevant details. Start by selecting the brand for which you want to upload the sales data. Next, you will need to select the price band. This helps categorize the data based on different price ranges. Upon selecting the price band, the app will automatically list down the models linked to that specific price range and brand. Now, in front of each listed model, you will find a quantity field. Simply edit the quantity for each model based on the sales data you have. You can increase or decrease the quantity as needed. Take a moment to review the edited quantities. If any changes are required, you can easily modify the quantity field for each model. Once you have reviewed and edited the quantities, you are ready to upload the competition sales. Tap on the Submit button to upload sales. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded the competition sales data. That wraps up this tutorial on uploading competition sales data using the Nural ISP app. Now you can conveniently manage and track your competition sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with Nural ISP.